Ebi abagambo buyabana buganaho abany'ishengyero abarukushitama hakakiko k'ishengyero akabyembarira karukurwa kefa kiwanuka okugezaho kureba uko bakorise sente zabahirwa mu mbarire yahwire no kugaruka mu bibuze byamubuzi bw'ahambera mbi y'imihanda okwetorora ihanga.
Why are we in this situation? Overcommitment. Primarily, we are taking on more than we can chew. As a government, not as UNRA, I told you we are just an implementing agency. Everybody wants a new road. Every member of parliament wants a new road because of the situation in their constituencies. These demands are legitimate, they are genuine. Nobody wants a road for luxury. Everybody wants a road to serve their people. But can you afford it? What does?
Arena kagena nayongera girango bwa hati binama baje minja garukushashurwa kandi sente ngutuzuru.
Because finance is not an antagonist in this matter. We actually meet with them very, very regularly, looking for solutions. So I cannot hear as a government officer, as an accounting officer, thinking that the problem is with finance not releasing the money. I think we said a little bit earlier that we have, as a country, gone through a very difficult period of COVID. We are underestimating the impact of COVID.
Abany'ishengyero bakushitama hakakiko nabagira ngo tubarukuza kurekeraho kushaba enguuto aha kuba nguzine kukorwa.
Bantu bona turwampara county turwampara district yonka. Constituencies zona zigizire bizuba abwenjura nyinge yitwine kandi tushemera kugira ngo enjura nekizibu. Enjura ntugenda ntwenda kwinga ntwenda kutangiriza amizi ngatugerura mugasho. Konka emhande siskire kandi itwenka rwampara batine road unit district setine road unit njamaisa nguturukubi
kimwe aha kikwetaga gukorwa no kureba ngo emukutera kutwara mizi eshemezibwe eyirwa mu mushenyi nebyondo echa kabiri no kureba ngo entinde zimwe zahanguhibwa bakutebo ebigoma bihangu bakutwara mizi ebi byona nibyetaga sente nahabwecu n'umurumo gwituka parliament kongera aha budget ya Uganda Road Fund esente zo mu district zikeyongera.
Enshonga z'enguuto zaganirwaho mu ishengyero kandi Speaker Anita Among nagira ngo buri district eshemerire kuba nehebwa biliyoni 1 ezo kukora hanguuto ezi gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.
But I want to